Happykids TV.
Hello, Ali. Hello, Sharky. Welcome to Fun and Learn. Hi, Granny. What are we doing today? Today, we're going to pop balloons. Yay! I love popping balloons.
Here we go. Green balloon. Let's pop it. Wow! Whoa, that's a lion.
Roar, roar, roar.
King of the jungle. Lion.
A pink balloon. Let's pop it. Ooh. That's an elephant. I love elephants. They are so big and so strong.
What do we have here? A blue balloon. Ah! Oh my, what's that? That's a polar bear.
Where do polar bears live?
They live near the North Pole.
A yellow balloon. I love yellow. Let's pop this one. Oh, that's a hippopotamus. A hippopotamus lives in Africa. Why, why?
Look, an orange balloon. Let's pop it. Ooh, what is that? Oh my, that's a rhinoceros.
It has two horns. But this one lives in Africa. A white balloon? Should we pop this one?
Yes, please.
And ooh, I think that's a leopard. A leopard has spots.
Looks scary.
Yes, it is.
Another blue balloon. Pop it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ooh! Oh gosh, that looks like a tiger.
Roar, roar, roar.
Tiger,
I'm
tiger,
scared.
burning bright.
Wild animals. If you had fun, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel.